Hey guys, it's Jack.
This is Sam.
And today we're bringing you Graves into Gardens by Elevation Worship featuring Brandon Lake, our favorite worship leader, in the original key of B.
So check this out. A few cool things about this tutorial. We have added chord diagrams, and so you'll see those in the bottom right-hand corner. Also, you're going to see visible cues. So we decided not to put audio cues in there, so you can't hear them, but you can see where we're at and what part of the song. And the last thing is we're dropping you in on chorus 1 of this song. So verse 1 and verse 2 are exactly the same as verse 3. There's just a rhythm part. And this tutorial combines 3 electrics into 2. So there are parts that are left out, but we picked the ones that we thought were most important to make this be the best sounding tutorial for your church or whatever. So.
And we also have t-shirts left, so they're $20 that covers shipping and handling. So we will personally handle them for you. So yeah, go get them, and as always, appreciate you guys.